Good morning and happy Saturday. I get to go to sales. I'm super excited. There is a community sale close by, so I'm going to head over to that. And later, if this ends up being a video, I will show you what I got. See you soon. Hello and happy Sunday. I'm working on some stuff for school. I thought I'd show you. Also, I just finished this bag, Dragons in a Bag, this book. And I just put it up on my Teachers Pay Teachers store. I don't know if you remember in the last, like 2 or 3 videos ago, I was holding, I don't have it in front of me, I already took it to school, I think, The Dragon Thief. And I said, I feel like this was part of a series, but I don't know. Said right on the top of the book, sequel to Dragons in a Bag. So had to read this one and the other one you can read as a standalone. It's not crazy weird or anything. There were some parts I thought the author could have explained that a little bit better, but now, it's all good. So I did this, and then I bought a product on Teachers Pay Teachers that I'm going to use in my classroom. This is something I've actually done a lot in the past, but not using this cool poster format. So I'll show you. Okay, so this is called Thinking Posters by Head Over Heels for Teaching. I bought it on Teachers Pay Teachers, and the idea is you use the Post-it notes to go with just different, well, let me show you the one I'm going to use. So I have the currently chart, so I don't need this one necessarily, but let me show you which one I am going to use. This one right here, the question could be. So up on the board, you could use this for honestly any subject. You could write the number 62, and then the kids will write on their poster something that 62 would be the answer to. So you could say 60 plus 2. That could be the question for the answer 62, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I might write, let's see, if I wanted to do character traits, I could say Junie B. Jones is my answer. And the question, I could say to the kids, ask a question that has something to do with character traits. And I could get a sticky note possibly that says, a little girl in the realistic fiction stories by Barbara Park. I'm making all this up, but you get the idea. So this is the one I printed out already. I just have to laminate. We're gonna run to the store when I get home. I'll laminate and I will show you when I'm done. Anyway, really excited to use that. I also have some, hold on here, I'll show you them. I got some phonics helpers. We do use foundations, and it is good. I find though that sometimes the kids need something that they can work on independent of me being able to sit and help them. A lot of times these kids are kids that go to resource, and when our resource class is canceled because the teachers need to sub in other classrooms, or they're not there for the day and they don't get a sub, I have to have something for that group of students to do. So here is what I bought. These are called CVC Sound Fluency cards. They're by Jody Southard, I believe, Fun in First. So these are very simple and along the lines, here I'll make it bigger, along the lines of kind of what we're already doing anyway, but these are very simple CVC words, and I'm trying to find my cursor here, can't. I would just do a few with them to get the sound of that letter in the words that are on the page, and then they go through and they sound out the words each couple times, and then they work on the sentence at the bottom. So I thought that was kind of a fun way to practice. And of course okay, there we go. I will make them in the fun colors, and that will help me also know which ones we've already done. So now we're gonna run to Target, get some groceries for the week. No one's here, just us. It's good to have dogs. I love my puppies, but they do drive me a little bit nuts sometimes. Hey girls, knock it off. They're not knocking it off. Anyway, I will see you. I'll try to hop on later and show you the finished poster. If I don't get a chance to tonight, this is going to be the Thursday's vlog this week. If I don't get a chance to, I'll probably show you in next week's Teacher Week in My Teacher Life video. Talk to you soon. Thought I would show you what we're having for dinner tonight. So I got these big old pitas at Sprouts, and the chicken, which is sell-by today, but we've already been using it, it's fine. And then we're gonna put, this is a mix of cilantro, onion, cucumber, and tomato. And then sitting by its lonesome here, there's a little bit of cilantro on top, but it's parsley. So all those, and then on top is gonna go the feta cucumber tzatziki dip. And I'm excited, it's gonna be great. I'll show you the finished product. So I thought I had the pitas that broke in half and made a pocket, but I didn't. So here's what it looks like, and I'm just gonna bend it in half like a taco and eat it up. I also grilled some chicken that we will use during the week. We'll just add it to salads or noodles or rice or whatever. So we have some little bit of meal prep for the week. I just wanted to show you the final product here. It's definitely not perfect. I did have to use a Sharpie in a couple areas. I still could do another couple little swipes, but not bad overall. And there we go without some lights. Definitely gonna be awesome to use. I'm gonna start tomorrow morning. I don't know. I'll think about what the question is gonna be, and you will see it probably on my vlog starting tomorrow, next week. Hi, I wanted to come on really quick and show you a couple of things that I got at garage sales this past weekend. So, this actually was not, these were actually some cool books I got at Goodwill a little while back. This one we've been looking for. It's the third one in the series, I believe. And, or no, I'm sorry. This is just one I don't think I have yet. So I grabbed that one. The Littles are favorites. That was the book I gave my kids for Christmas. It was the first Littles, and they really liked it. A lot of them came back and said they read it over the break. This one is a brand new copyright date, I believe. Hold on, let me look. Yes, 2020. So I'm sorry. This is a 2020 edition, but 2019. I still call that new. If it's anything from like 2017 on, to me, it's still pretty new. But it is a illustrated account of Anne Frank. And here's an example of what the inside looks like. Very readable. A lot of my kids will absolutely be able to read this, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then for me, I absolutely love Elizabeth Berg and her writing style, her books. And I just finished reading the story of Arthur Trulove, and it's very good. And so this one is called Night of Miracles, and it's a sequel. I didn't know it had one, so I'm very happy about that. So those are some books that I picked up over the last week or so. And then my garage sale stash, I didn't get just a ridiculous ton of stuff, but I did kind of get some fun goodies. First off, for 50 cents, look at that. We're still doing some basketball stuff. Not as much since I've had the bad headaches. And today, really bad headache, but think I can make use of this guy. These I have somewhere. These were in the dollar section at Target, and I have, I think, 3 packs of them. But this and a bunch of other stuff I paid like $2 for. So these are reader trackers that kids can lay on the page And the part in the middle is what they're reading, and that just helps them to track their words. So that was pretty cool. Then a lot of these were at the same garage sale. This one was at a different one, but all the things I'm showing you from the trackers on were at a garage sale. I don't know if these still work, but I'm hopeful that they do, because these would be just the right size to keep in a little bag for if I'm working away from home. So those are super cute. I also got this clear stamps by Rona Farrer, and she is one that I remember being part of the Creating Keepsakes team. And these are just some clear stamps, and they're the alphabet. So there they are up close. I just love these. And like I said, all the stuff I'm showing you was like $2. Then at the same place, and I'm really, really, really hoping these work. I hope they're not too old and dried out, but they're brand new in the plastic still. They're the Tim Holtz brand ink. This one is Broken China, cool blue color. The color of the top is the color of the ink. This one is Walnut Stain. That one is honestly my favorite. And then this last one too is embossing ink. So that's the stuff that you stamp with, and then you can sprinkle like the embossing powder and heat it up, and then it looks like raised, kind of like raised foil, like bright whatever. And that's pretty cool. And then this, I think, is the last thing I got there. I don't even know exactly what this is, but it's extremely heavy, and you can use it to pound letters or shapes into something. For example, it says magnetic stamp bases. So I might have to buy more to go along with it, but for what I paid, if I need this, I'm sure this is not under $10. So that was pretty cool. And then at the same house that I got the little basketball, I got this petrified wood. I do have a very large, two very large petrified wood pieces that my mom gave me from when she and my dad had gone there, and they had bought at the gift shop. You're not allowed to take them out, but they still have the stickers, the price stickers, and they were not cheap. So excited to have that. And then this, I paid $5 for, but I thought it was really cool. Since we're doing human body right now, this is rubber stamps and a little all about bones book. But I thought the kids would love this, and I might have them, you know, stamp part of the body and then write a little something, something. I don't know. But that will be fun for a little center activity. And that is about it. I'm sure there's probably something I'm forgetting, but I'll just show it another time in another vlog. So have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Girls, stop barking. They're barking. They won't stop. The wind must be blowing, or someone's driving by on a bike or in a car. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was interesting at all, and if you got any usefulness out of it, and consider subscribing to help me grow my channel. Thanks. Goodbye.